How can cities save millions? Smart photocell tech revolution revealed. Cities are losing millions each year on outdated streetlight controls. Traditional photocells fail too often, wasting energy and demanding frequent maintenance. When lights stay on during daylight or fail at night, the costs quickly add up, not just in money, but in public frustration. The million-dollar problem. In the U.S. alone, lighting firms lose over $1 million annually from photocell failures. Cities like Kansas City spend nearly $6 million each year just monitoring and repairing lights. In smaller towns such as Claiborne, Tennessee, maintenance crews replace faulty photocells multiple times a day, costing over $160,000 annually. These recurring expenses show how outdated systems create a continuous financial drain. Smarter tech. Faster response. Modern smart photocells react in milliseconds, adjusting lighting precisely to environmental conditions like smog, storms, or cloud cover. This ensures lights operate only when needed, cutting energy use by 30 to 40%. Singapore's adaptive lighting program proved this efficiency, reporting sharp reductions in energy bills and carbon emissions. Beyond savings, fewer operating hours extend fixture lifespans, further reducing costs. Long-term durability. Unlike older units, next-generation photocells are modular and weather-resistant. Instead of replacing entire lamps, technicians simply swap sensors. Cities adopting this approach report technician trips dropping by half and annual maintenance spending reduced by nearly 40 to 50%. The Zhaga standard advantage. Zhaga-compliant sockets function like USB ports for streetlights, allowing controllers to snap in without rewiring or replacing poles. This plug-and-play approach extends the life of existing infrastructure, lowers costs, and reduces e-waste by up to 70%. Importantly, it gives municipalities flexibility to mix and match technologies without vendor lock-in. Real-world proof. San Diego upgraded 3,000 lights, saving $254,000 annually and proving reliability in coastal smog and storms. Los Angeles converted 141,000 lights, cutting energy use by 63% and saving up to $10 million yearly. Smart nodes even enabled EV chargers on poles. Milan deployed over 100,000 LED fixtures with adaptive dimming, reducing energy costs by 10 million euros in 1 year while cutting e-waste and emissions. The future: AI plus solar. The next wave combines AI-driven predictive maintenance and solar integration. AI can forecast failures 48 hours in advance, reducing emergency repairs. Solar-powered lights with smart photo controls stretch battery life and further lower operating costs. Smart photocell technology is not a luxury, it's a necessity. With proven global savings, durability, and sustainability, cities adopting Zhaga-compliant smart controllers can cut millions in waste while building greener, smarter, and safer streets.